guys, you guys have seen my journey starting off as an apprentice all the way to where I got my license, all the way to where I am today. And recently, last month, I got a chance to go on my first long trip vacation ever, and I'm here to share with you guys my experience, and not to only share the experience but also to be an inspiration to you guys that are trying to get into the industry as an aircraft mechanic or an aircraft maintenance engineer, that you can do it, and this is one of the lifestyle or one of the experience you can also get once you get to the industry. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. All right. Just got to Boracay. Want to take the bus to the port. From the port, we take a train to take a boat to Boracay Island. And once you get to Boracay, I'm gonna show you guys about. So yes. Alright guys, so I just arrived in Boracay Island. I am super excited to show you guys this little blog of my but yeah, let me give you guys a glance of the hotel I'm staying right now. The hotel I'm staying in is called Coast. Not a bad one for 5 nights. It's pretty decent, really close to everything, which was major for me. This is the bedroom. They got a nice queen size. It came with a lot of complimentaries, free food. They have a bar also. These are all free. Sleepers are free. I can get a drink, right? And also the bathroom, nothing crazy, pretty basic. It's more than enough for one person. I paid like almost $1,000 for just 5 nights, which is not too bad, you know what I'm saying? Pretty good location, but after like a long flight that I'm super tired right now, I'm gonna go take a shower. I am not wasting any day. I'm gonna go take a shower right now, and I'm ready to explore the beautiful city of Boracay Island. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. Yesterday I didn't really do that much. I only went to a restaurant to grab some dinner. That was pretty much it. But right now I'm gonna go grab breakfast because the hotel I'm staying, they do offer free buffet breakfast, which I'm gonna show you guys. Alright. So I just got my breakfast right now. I got the rice, the curry fish, and also some tea. Guys, look at this view. This is so crazy. But yeah, I'm excited for the activities I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna have my breakfast right now, and once I finish my breakfast, I'm gonna go get some activities. My plan is to get some jet ski, some ATVs. But yeah, hopefully I get a chance to show you guys more stuff. I'm really excited for this, alright? And we'll see each other. Bye. It's been a long time, so we just got here right now. We're about to ride the ATV.
This is a brake, this one, sir.
Okay.
It's a front brake and then back brake this one.
Okay, sounds good.
But you have a portion to downhill later. Hold the brake, both one's better.
Okay.
Both brake is better to use when you go down.
Okay, sounds good.
And just one accelerator or gas press, not a motorcycle like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Just the gas.
If you're going uphill, continue the gas, but slowly. Don't press like this.
Okay, sounds good.
And then if you're going downhill, release and hold the brake both. And they have a gear, this one. The front is forward,
Okay.
neutral in the middle,
Okay.
and then reverse in the back.
Okay. Sounds good.
Reverse is ni Sari, always forward liters. And this one, be careful, it's hot, tight.
Okay.
And then this one, the other side, the engine, hot also.
Okay. So I'm just about to go for the jet ski, 15-minute ride. But yeah, it's like my second time doing jet ski ever. But the problem is the weather is not looking too good though. I don't know why, but it's okay. Just enjoy the vibe. All right, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna go get a massage right now. This spa is called Mandarin Spa in Boracay. They have really nice sauna. They have a shower. It's like a top end. What's it called? Spa in Boracay. They also have a locker room. You get to put your stuff, which is really nice. So basically, take off your pants and you have this rope you gotta put on. So yeah, I paid for like an hour. I tried one massage before, I didn't really like it, but let me see how this massage is. Hopefully it's something way more better than last one. Alright, I'll see if I can film some stuff for you guys and I'll upload it.